A night curfew has been imposed in Delhi from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So it starts off tonight and on New Year's Day. This is to ensure that there are no New Year's celebratory events, congregations, gatherings at public places shall be permitted from 11 p.m. of 31st December to 6 a.m. of 1st January and also from 11 p.m. of 1st January to 6 a.m. of 2nd January. So that is the breaking news that's coming in. Munish Pandey is getting us more details on this. Munish, how exactly does this night curfew work? You know, there is a curfew from 11 p.m. tonight. However, the Delhi government had also said that there's not a complete ban on New Year parties.
Yeah, well, Akshita, this year the New Year celebration is going to be low-key because the new UK strain coronavirus has entered into the national capital, and keeping the view and this pandemic, the government and the Delhi police has decided that there should be ban on public gathering. Now, where I'm standing is an iconic landmark from decades for every person who wanted to celebrate New Year, but this time it is going to be low-key. I am standing in Connaught Place, and here we have seen year by year that people come in large number, but this year it is going to be low-key. There is a ban on public gathering. Of course, people can come here, but no vehicles will be allowed in the evening. Also, what we have been given to understand is that this Rajiv Chowk metro station, which is a facility between, interchange facility for Blue Line and Yellow Line, people who come from Noida and NCR regions, this metro station will not be allowed for any passenger post 9 p.m. Of course, metros will run, but only people can go inside. They will not be allowed to exit from this metro station, only to ensure that there is no public gathering. As far as the house parties are concerned, they can of course do their house party, but the music should not be allowed. Loud music will not be allowed. Only permissible limit should be allowed. Apart from that, there is no terrace party. If anyone wants to do anything on New Year, then there has to be a prior public police permission, and the restaurants and eateries will be open, but again only 50% of the guests will be allowed. So there are many restrictions which has been imposed in national capital on the New Year's Eve.
Okay, so an announcement being made on night curfew in Delhi, that's from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. to ensure there's no overcrowding, because we are still dealing with a pandemic. Munish, thank you for getting me all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.